Good morning, Josh over here at Weir's Motor Sales in this beautiful rainy day. Just wanted to give you a quick look. We have quite a few GMC pickup trucks here, new and pre-owned. We actually have about 20 to 25 out back as well that haven't even been brought up front yet. So these are the trucks that I have right in the front line. Just wanted to give you a quick look. Got one inside, one on the curb there. We'd love to have you come down, take a peek. Again, Josh over at Weir's Motor Sales, 207-604-7206. Have a great day.